here on Gbpusd. For my previous video I put out this week, I was more or less calling out a short trade, but more or less told you guys to be wary of the 1.3 area, okay, as the pillar of profit taking happening there. So, seeing how the market dropped from earlier this week, we've reached into 1.3 and you can see the massive rejection there, okay, from that area. Now, breaking it down on the daily time frame, you can see that the daily it's still very much in a seller's type market because we have all the way up to this high here on the seller's candle to break before we consider that buyers are now in control of the market. Oh, sorry, let me switch this to something you guys can understand. Okay, so right here, so let's price trade above the high of this bearish candle. That's what I'll be looking to buy. Okay, so I took one trade earlier this week, which was what I actually held. I made about 81 pips from this particular move. Okay, so seeing how price reached into the 100% here on the Fibonacci, I was more or less looking at all the lower time frames, okay, to see if we could have a break or a rejection. So from this area here, we saw price reached into this region once, it reached again, and then we had a break of support area here on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, but I didn't enter directly there because if you look at the 1 hour time frame, we still had an area of support here that could more or less hold price. Okay, right here that more or less correlated with 3757. Okay, so I waited for price to trade below that region and then I executed with a 30 pip stop loss. And my target was since we were rejecting the Fibonacci area here, my target was at 100%, 97% on the Fibonacci. So that was a win for the week. Now going into uh the next move, okay, on G for me, seeing how we are currently pushing to the upside, we could still be looking out for that retrace, okay, that move to the downside because today is currently Friday, and if the market closes as a seller's candle like this, it shows that they were, even though we had rejection of 1.3, there's still enough selling momentum to um keep price below the lows of last week. So which means we could still see a sell off. Since it's Friday, I won't be looking to enter any other positions. Okay, unless I see something really solid. Okay. Which looking at the chart right now, I don't think we could see because we currently are in the London session, and if there was going to be an opportunity in the main direction of the momentum of the higher time frames, then we would have seen a trade by now. But and that's just a quick update on GU, and have a good weekend, guys.